Formulas for liberation from a bad habit. Use the person's name when narrated the person. God break the curse afflicting my health, my finances, my energy. God break the curse which is connected to my bad habit, or God break the curse which is connected to the person's bad habit. God sever the person's tie with the demon of the following choices: suicide, despair, lying, fear, doubt, pride, hate, anger, or God sever my tie with the demon of the previous. Demon of the previous. In the name of the Lord Jesus Christ, or in the name of God, I command you to leave this person. Or demon of the previous. In the name of the Lord Jesus Christ, or in the name of God, I command you to leave me. Lord Jesus Christ, liberate the person from the demon of the previously stated, on the outside and the inside. Or, Lord Jesus Christ, liberate me from the demon of previous, on the outside and on the inside.